let's suppose that there are a lot of rats sitting here. These are many rats. I don't know how to draw rats, but anyway, and they are having tails, and their tails are going upward, and if all these tails together making a bundle of tails, right, this bundle of tails, right, this can be called tract. Let me tell you how. Neuron may be taken as a rat. Every neuron has a long axon. In central nervous system, if a group of neurons having lot of axons, and these axons are making a bundle, and that bundle of axons, right, which are moving up and down in central nervous system, they are considered tract, right. So what are tracts? Tracts are the bundle of axons within the central nervous system having common origin, common termination, and tracts are moving up and down.